Nje yawe mina ngisebenzela abantwana bami, mina ngisebenzela ingane zami oriqhomela kazingane. Mara sadikenye di-morals. Ongithi ufinde ubua ka ukhuluma ngesaka lempuphu, ukhuluma ngamazambane, ukudla nempahla. Mawuthi wena usebenzela abantwana bakho no. That way siyalahleka. Awucheka ngwana. Asokhamile umgadi otsamayile yena. Of course you work, of course you have your life. That's healthy, that's life. No, we are just different people in the same world. In the same world. That's where respect is coming in there. Siyabhekelana, siyanqenyisana. Kotseleng so ra shiftelana. Asore wa ntshosa kapa ke a tshaba kapa wa mthola mos. Siyanqenyisana. Umama lo uyasho ukuthi mina bengumthakathi. Wabona kuyaloya. Wayibona lady. So asiyena liwani. Might be angry at her, we might be happy for her, but what is important, Bafethu, is the things that she spoke about. She's teaching us. What? Take the weight. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Abantwana bethu bafethu. That is the most. Into engifuna ukukhuluma nayo namhlanje ngifuna ukugcizelela. I know I've been talking about kids bafethu. It's not like I'm saying parents are wrong or what. In this matter, I want to talk about it as we must be together on our children, guys, and we must be very, very serious, intentional. Abantwana yabo sizoba blamer, they don't really care. And le gona hape ha eno go sebeletsa, because now we are playing a blaming game, shifting problems always. Wabo ke batla bua ka bana today, but otherwise ngifuna ukuqala nje ngenjoyelo ke thank you very much. We appreciate bafethu your subscription. No subscribe nathi kusho ukuthi you are concerned about life. I don't want to say this is a content. Lebitso leo ke bona right. Babangata le aba uvuruvaya. I will talk about it one day or why ke tshojalo. Yeah, thank you very much sabonga bafethu. Now keep on clicking it, no share. Yabo, especially this what I'm going to talk about today. I want you to share it. Abantwana baningi bafethu. All provinces of South Africa. All countries of Africa. Yabo, abantwana babhaya bafethu. So, it's the future. Yabo, children are the future of us, bafethu. Whereby it's in us, but yeah, the education, they took it from us. Yabo, Ronald Labenter shift up lane, as I said. Now I want to say, let's come together, bafethu. Let's talk about our kids. Yabo, ukuthi you must choose where your children are going. You know, awule mutswadi mawumzali kumele ubheke ukuthi abantwana bakho bayaphi, bahamba nabo bani, bakhuluma ini, injwayelo zabo, wabona, their habits, yabona, and nokuthi bahamba nabo bani is very important bafethu. Let me tell you this short story bafethu. Uzothola ukuthi wena umntana wakho uyazi ukuthi akabhemi, akayenzi certain things, yabona, but only to find khabo umngani wakhe. Do you know ukuthi umntana wakho angabhema? nomama kamngani wakhe. I once did that bafethu. Angithi ngiblame lo mama loyana, but that is the place where I shouldn't go if my mother or my father was close to me. Ha re fihla da re tshaketse machance mme wa ntanga wa tsuba le gona ga itsuba le bona bontanga ba tsuba pela thaka tsa gona ba tsuba mme wa bona wa tseba and wena ha o batle ngwana ha wa tsube mara nna ke chomi ya da wa bona ke tlo tsuba le nna ke tlo tsuba and ke motho moholo ye wa tseba yena o itjwetsa I'm not their child. Wabo, they can't care that much because le ba haiki ba mos ba senyehile already. Ba mo hlotse the way ba mo hlotseng ka teng a ba accepta. Wa bona riding a jwalo. Ha re ba re mama le wena wa tsuba mos. Ebile o re mabona go buy me cigarette. A ngome A1 ke tla ke beile ke lo ngwana. A ke kena go tshakateng ke a entsha ke tshwara grand. One thought mongondo nyaka ke beile mo. I'm doing it like my mother. I'm doing it like my father in my mind. Anze ke hula. Picture ya motho le ke anghuta ke mmona nga tsuba ngomme kwai. Picture ke yemo anze ke hula. Yongwana, I'm practicing that. Up until ke tatela o yetsa now ke bona moshi o tswa. I'm telling you, Bafet. So we must take care. Sorry, you know, sometimes this word was selfish. People can blame you, Bafet. It's just that fella how to be selfish. That's the most important part. Understand. How you are selfish. It's like you're arrogant, you're self-centered, you know. You must live with people as well as protecting yourself at the same time, afraid. Because not everyone is going to be my friend. Not everyone is going to be my liking kind of person. It is not like I'm hating them. No, we are just different people in the same world. In the same world. That's where respect is coming in then. Siyabekelana, siyanqenyisana. Kotseleng so ra shiftelana a sore wa ntshosa kapa ke a tshaba kapa wa nthola mos siyanqenyisana wa ibona. So I must be selfish kanna hore mfana wena o rata wa mbomba wena nna ntwana hai a se ntho ke batlang go etsa. Never ke kgona ba doctor, never kgona ba le ponesa a o se ke qala ke taste di drugs ntwana. Even you can say taste. When how about now taster? Taster. But taster when this guy are taster. You will feel this way, you will feel this way. Never, never, never. That way, I'll be selfish katsela eo. Understand? Ya we itlhokomela and how itlhokomela wena. O hlokomela le batho ba o ratang around. Ba bang ha ba tsebe mara ba nganya ba o shebile wa nthola. So batswadi dithaka tsaka please bafethu are se ra bang embarrassed from now on. Don't be embarrassed as to ngwana ka sa tswiletse leng science so wa bona. Only two things mama to start with tse qalang. Number one, you pray genuinely wa rapela mama ke ngwana hao wena modimo wa hae. Modimo o yentse middleman between them, between bana ba hao wa rapela sure a o qeta o ba consistent ka melao ya ka tlung, o ba consistent hore wena ka boholo ba hao o hopola jwang. Remember ho disa ngwana it doesn't mean tlamela ho le the way wena o hotseng ka teng kapo o mo fentho tse wena o sa di tholang or eng. It's about is it right or wrong. Agora wena mama wa rekela di ka pipe wena o se rekela ngwana hao jwanong gore wena o batla ngwana hao a phele the now style, the now life. Abanye abantwana mos ba ya ibhema so naye uyayifuna so mo rekela wena So murekela wena. Don't do that. Don't do that. And please bafethu, wabona ntho checka ngwana. Aso tlamile mo gato tsamaile yena. Of course you work, of course you have your life. That's healthy, that's life. One shot. But keep on checking on them. Ntho tse dingwe wa ba tshosa. Understand? O ba unka nako di etsa until ba lahla thaule a iponela le yena o re wrong. Because you keep checking them. Dibuka tsa ngwana wa di checka ka mohara bag ya ngwana hao ya sekolo. It doesn't mean or tlamela o bona or abe teng or abe siko. Doesn't really matter that. Ke ngwana wa hao. Eo ba e bitsa consistent or adula hopola or tse ding tsa dintho o di etsa because you want to. Because you are the parent. Because you are responsible for him or her. Tse ding tsa dintho o di etsa jwalo. Aska tlo manipulate ngwana, aska idumela ntho eo. Au manipulate are abanye abantwana mama bayayenza. Abanye abantwana bagqoka kanje, abanye abantwana bayazigqoka. No. Abanye abazali mama bayeka abantwana babo. Uyabona ukuthi umntwana ziningi angazazi. Once azothi abanye abazali, because it seems like they don't know we are different. Mentally and otherwise. We are different. Don't be manipulated by a child, please. And more so, ke batla go letsebe a ke bua ka thapelo bafethu. This thing e ke buang ena it is inspired by the video that I saw. Wabona? Yeah, Tshepiso. Yeah, I stand to be corrected ka lebitso la wabona.
Yes.
Yeah. But ke le sangoma ke ngaka and tweo are ke moloi we be straight are ke moloi. I want you, my brother, to put that video at the end.
Yeah, I will.
Please, my brother, so that people can listen just a minute.
Yes.
Whereby she was talking now about children and spirits. How children are targeted. Kana go tse ding o ka tshora umntanami uyaganga this umntanami ngimenzela yonke into kanti ushawa imimoya. Ushawa imimoya. Or umngani wakhe o affected imimoya. Manje nayo sekahamba nalomuntu. You understand? And uyabona umngani wakho into yenziwa umngani wakho uzoyenza nawo. Uyabona? So uyabona nayo affected but little bit indirect.
Yeah.
But affected bafethu. That is why kumele ukhethele umntanakho ukuthi uhamba kuphi. Umhlaba ushintshile manje. Akusasile sasikhathi sokuthi siyageza ngeChristmas, masiqeda ukugeza sithatha amaplastiki siwafaka ekhwameni. Uphethe njani ethi ngibone yakho encane iplastic. Yakho inkulu, yakho iyelo besijabulela lezo zinto ngayo inkathi zethu yabo kuyiChristmas. Sazi ukuthi siyongena house to house sicela ihappy. Masingena nje sithi sicela ihappy, asikaze sathukwa. Sinikwa amakhekhe or bothi wahlalani phansi sidle amabhitruit isidle singabantwana. Angisasho ukuthi ngiqeda ukudla ibhitruit lana nangale banginika ibhitruit. Ngidla umkophu ngidla inyama ngiyahlanganisa ama-rice amapapa idambo into eziphekwayo amadombolo ngeChristmas ke niyazazi until intambama mangithi nyalala ngiyazigagela. Abanye bayahlanza intanga zami ziyazi. Uyangithola ngapha amaplastic aqoyela amakhekhe manje ayisayenzeka ngithi yes ngeke sisabuyele emuva ngeke sayenzeka futhi because imimoya umama lo uyasho ukuthi mina bengumthakathi wabona kuyaloya wayibona leli so asiyena liwani wawudla siya but lena onale le share higher ke. Yeah, now she was talking about her now. What I liked about her. Plus now my brother I learned not to judge because now I'm on the wrong side. I'm not perfect. One tell my brother. So I want I thank her so much. Or she said she's repenting.
Yes.
She's repenting. She wants to live a clean life. No one pushed her to do that. No one pushed her. Yes. We might be angry at her. We might be happy for her, but what is important, bafethu, is the things that she spoke about. She's teaching us. Take the words and be careful. Don't a ke batla gore batho ba assume ba re hey le nna o tshogantse ke lowa le nna o tshogantse ke tsa so ka lebaka la di situations. No. Ha ile jwalo tlo re furuvaya re ba personal, and we can't even now judge correct. We can't take that and implement it into our lives in a good way. It will sabotage us, kind of thing. From now on, cut the chain. Protect abana ba hao ka ntho tse o ba bolellang tsona le ka ntho tse o ba bontshang tsona. Ska tle ba jwetsa gore wa mona mamang wa lawyer. You can't go about it that way. It's actually ka motho o moholo beya taba tse ka motho o moholo le a tseba batho ba baholo. I can't teach you that. I really can't teach you that. Wa tseba hona le taba ne ke etsa example, my brother, on some interviews of mine, to say hona le mantswe ka wa buang, but o thola hore ke tlhapa a bohloko, but o thola hore nna kwa beya ke beya the same thing, but the very same person o tlileng bohloko now I understand, because ke beile respectfully, ke khethile mantswe aka ka nahanela di feelings tsa motho. That way re khona ho thishana, ska nqeka. But hey, if we choose on nqeka, it's also okay. Lenna ke tlamele ke nke as a lesson, or people are different, ba bang batla ho qeka, you can't really do nothing about it. Concentrate on yourself. Wa bona ha re concentrate bafethu ka bana ba rona. Ntho ya hore mina ngisebenzela abantwana bami, mina ngisebenzela ingane zami, o re qhomela ka zingane mara sa di kenye di morals. Only to find ubua ka ukhuluma ngesaka lempuphu, ukhuluma ngamazambane ngokudla nempahla, mawuthi wena usebenzela abantwana bakho. No. That way siyalahleka bafethu. And noma uyoba ubudget imali uyabafaka abantwana bakho lapha etafuleni, ukhuluma ngemali ama bills of the month. Batho ba bangata re kenye bana ba rona, we don't train them to come and do that. Bana ba bang ba hola ba sa re tsebe le reka di cruiser, ya le bana ba hao ba le reka di cruiser. That way o shapa dinonyana tse paya ka lejo le one, o ngwana ha o ntsa le ho wena ona le ntho tse le di etsang, whether by 2, whether by 3, whether by 4, tsama le bona, clean le bona. Nna ke tshwara, it's a first start anyway to cut the chain. Nagere, bring them closer. Don't care about the situation right now. What's a baba bang o senyehile malapeng a rona mfowethu wa bona, but be a bigger person as motswadi. Be a bigger person. Okay. Don't ever care who is wrong, who is right here, please. O kapo ke mang o shebileng, lokisa lelapa la hao. Calm down. Ska kwata mama, ska kwata papa. If ditaba tsa lona le mama le divorce tse di loka, lokisa ntse santsana na le chance, lokisa ntse hobane I know ngwana mong le mong o khalla ba le ntate le mme. That's natural. Wanthola bafethu, i natural eo. But hey, if omong alesiko, put the thing straight or as to why ko bane ba khona understand le bona, bua le bona. That is why ke re ka bo shapa dinonyana tse paya ka lesho le one, the more le o ntsona le bona, the more ntse le bua ke. Thank you. The emotions tsa lona di tla controller dipuo tsa lona, as long as le calm down lona, no matter the situation. Nane abantwana bafethu, please, le na le chance, le utlwile wa bona, la bona le lona, la bona se la batlang o tlo ba se la batlang o bona ka mahla bo Bra Thomas tsela e botswa ho ba pele indlela efundwa kwabaphambili uyayifunda awuthi mina kumele nami ngiye la ngizokwazi ukuthi manje ngifundile hayi ayisebenzi njalo aroshashayi especially me akoshashayi ke batla fela o understand the life hore hona le ntho tse never tse mix ka tsona mfana abatswadi bao ba sa kgona ho rekela phone ya so aba kgone mfana sisters ska batla ho tshwana le motho mong you will never phela like them. What if it's not your destiny? Ulatela hore abosibani bagqoka kamnandi bahamba ngeimoto ubheka bona. Don't be lost. Wena is not your life. And the proof of that is that you are not there. Ubatla ho ba mo wena. That's the proof. You know. So foster. You can't even see wena your destiny. Ha o batle le ho botsa ka yona. Chila mama. Batlwele. Wena ke na skela cleana ko ntlong dula le mama hao botsa mama hao ka life ya hae nje ore mama angixoxele man angitshele man yabo ukuthi bekwenzakalani ditori timer awurbe zama ngahohle bafethu hore le family libe close ngoba nememoya snacks e batla yona division eo ke mbobo division eo wanzo wa roma mo yang teng wanzo wa roba bo yang teng malume yang teng for no reason taso ufake memoya but ke bafethu nyabonga bafethu singiphinde ngiqolise futhi ukuthi silwe late bafethu ngevideo ningamangale sesiposta all of Sunday singapostanga Sunday uyabona ukuthi manje sihlale episode bafethu and kunento bathi load shedding kapo load reduction kapo load erasure kapo load irritation or load punishment bafethu asas but ke we're gonna keep doing it sizohlala sishaya sila asihambi. Please keep subscribing bafethu siyabonga kodwa Sunday na video futhi don't worry yabona just a hiccup nje niyazi bafethu siyabonga nonke ama subscribers wethu ngiyathanda nonke bafethu danko.
Why don't you ask yourself ukuthi why kuama abantu abamnyama kuphela ingane zabo ezibhema inyawupe? It's rare ukuthi uyothola
India,
umlungu, iChina libhema inyawupe. Thola bana laba abamnyama ngoba thina abantu abamnyama sithanda izinto. Omunye akayibhemi ngoba uthi uyayibhema, usuke ebhema ngoba ubhemisa. Yilento lo umbona ukuthi uhlakaniphile. Sithatha lokho akuhlakanipha saguqula sethi makamba ubhema inyawupe. Thathele mentality uyahamba uyobhema inyawupe. Siqedile ngaye.